YouTube channel. My name is Sia. My name is Mima. And we are Sia's Playground. So today guys, we are here at Manarat Al Saadiyat. And we're gonna give you a small tour around. Yeah. Inside. There's letter mask, keyboard mask, laptop mask, and mouth mask.
So guys, this is now Maryam. She's a local from United Arab Emirates, of course, and she's going to tell us what's this art all about.
Okay.
Please, Maryam.
My art is one-way conversation between the mind and the people. It shows the people who have self-struggle, and when they have their when they are in depression, so they always want help from people to come and save them. But they don't, or they can't talk with the people about their situation or what they face. So the mind always try to send message to people to try to help, like hopefully help them or notice them. But unfortunately, no one know that or like see that because all the people are kind of busy in their own life. So the sheets here talk about, or like there is written, there is words or like paragraphs about the mind. Message for the people and what it was saying this specific time. Each sheet talk about something in this specific time or different time, and the words translate to an ancient script which is Arabic. It developed in the 17th century. That's it. It's encrypted so people cannot know it, and it's transferred because that's how the people feel, and that's how the message is that people, even people when they don't see it, it doesn't mean that it's not here. So that's all.
Thank you, Maryam. Thank you so much. Thank you.